Welcome back to day 21 of Race to 1000. Another very exciting day because would you like some more free Bitcoin? In a moment, I'm going to show you how we can get more free Bitcoin. But first, as always, a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor or professional advisor of any kind. I make no guarantees of income or guarantees of success of any kind because you may simply not be willing to do what I do in the way that I do it. I know that some people have registered and they've never watched a single video or clicked on a single advert or earned any Bitcoin. So I can't guarantee your results. They may be better or worse than mine. I really don't know. Also, please understand that you are working with a very volatile product, which is cryptocurrency. Right now, we are in a bear market, and you should never, ever invest any money that you cannot afford to lose in any kind of venture, whether it be cryptocurrency, whether it be business, or any other kind of investment. Please be responsible, and right now there is a disclaimer on the page. Please take time to read it and acknowledge it. And if you don't accept it, then please stop watching the videos. If you're good with it, then let's earn some Bitcoin. So the last video I made was on 18th of January of 2019, and today is the 30th of January. So it's actually about 2 weeks since I made a video, and there's been a reason for that. I've been away working, accumulating more Bitcoin. And on December the 31st, I did a withdrawal of 40,000 Satoshi from AdBtc. And today is the 30th of January, so we're almost 1 month later. And I'm about to do another withdrawal from AdBtc of 30,195 Satoshi. The first time you do a withdrawal on AdBtc, the limit is 40,000. And then they have lowered it for me to 30,000. So I've just crossed the 30,000 mark about 30 minutes ago. And I'm going to withdraw it as fast as I possibly can. And this time it was quicker for me to get the 30,000 than before. It took me about 2 months, I think, to get my first 40,000. And it's only taken me 1 month to get 30,000. And I just do this, a few times a day. I don't stress myself out over it. So it's pretty cool. So the first thing we'll need to do a withdrawal, and I'm going to walk you through the process again just so you're fresh, is obviously you need to go to your blockchain account. And as you can see right now, I've got $38. It's gone down a little bit because, as I said, we are in a bear market. It's very volatile. It goes up and down. But what I love about this is that we're accumulating Bitcoin when the price is very low, which is really awesome. And as the price is predicted to go up over this year in the next 2 to 3 years, this $38 could literally turn into $500, $1,000. Who knows where it's going to go? In that time, I will have accumulated more Bitcoin. And I believe Bitcoin is going to be one of the financial systems of the future. So I think it's really essential we get involved in it as early as possible. I'm going to start making videos soon about why I believe you should be, or we should be, involved in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And I'm going to explain what it all is. So we're in blockchain. If you don't have a blockchain account, go back through the series and you'll see how you can get one. And you can either make sure you're in the Bitcoin wallet by clicking on Bitcoin on the left-hand side, and then it says be your own bank, request. So I'm going to request money from AdBtc. I'm going to copy my wallet address, and it's new every time you do a transaction. I've now copied that. I'm going back to Bitcoin. I'm going to the withdrawal section. And here you've got 3 options: to Faucet Hub, to BTC address, or you can move to advertising balance. I am not going to send it to the Faucet Hub, although I do have an account with them. I wanted to go direct to my blockchain account. And unless you want to advertise stuff, I would just ignore this. So I'm going to go to the Bitcoin address. I'm actually going to change my Bitcoin address to the new one. So come up here, change it. It says click here to get code to change wallet address. So I'm going to click that. And they're going to send me an email. with a code. So let me go and get that email. Okay, so the email has come in with the code. It's very simple, very basic. Just copy the code, go back to the BTC, put in the code here, paste that in, and then submit. This will allow me to change my wallet. So I'm going to go back to blockchain. I'm going to copy this again. Go back to AdBtc. I'm going to put in the new Bitcoin address. And I'm going to type in my password to confirm it and submit. Okay, so it says success. So I'm going to go back to withdraw. And I'm going to click on the 2BTC address. And as you can see, it's already put the 30,195 Satoshi in there. It's already got the wallet address. And you just check it's correct. I normally just check the first 3 digits and then the last 3 digits. Just give it a quick check that it's correct. Yep, that's good. And then I'm going to put in the password. And then understand the transaction confirmation. If you don't, just go and read this. Click on the little button. And then click on withdraw. It says success, withdrawal processing. Wait for the page to fully load. And then if you go back to AdBtc, once you come back to your dashboard, you'll see that it's now balances at 0. So I'm actually going to slow down personally on how often I do this. I'm just going to do it probably once in the morning, once at night. I'm going to keep it going because I do have a couple of referrals going as well. So I'm still going to keep earning from this. But my focus is going to be moving away from these small free programs because they do actually take up a little bit of time each day, and moving towards the other programs that we're going to be looking at soon. So this is going to take maybe a day or two to actually process. When it processes, I'll come back and show you that it's being transferred. In the meantime, if you want to do a quick review of some of the videos that you've missed and just keep accumulating your Bitcoin. And why don't you share this with some of your friends? The idea of this program is it's called a Race to 1,000, and the 1,000 is a 2-point goal. It's a minimum of 1,000 people to get a minimum of $1,000, and we're just creating the seed money at the moment. So why don't you share this with some of your friends? And the best thing about that is if you share this with your friends, share your affiliate links with them, not mine, and then you will start earning from them as well. So you'll start building a little team of people who we can use later as we grow in other platforms. And this will help accelerate your income earning possibilities, and also you're helping other people start creating Bitcoin and earning money as well. So give me a thumbs up, give me a like, I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. Share this on social media. Feel free to share it on social media. I absolutely love when you do that, and it helps me as well. You know, by you helping me, I can help you more because we're getting more people watching the videos and being part of the team. So with that, have an awesome day. I'll get back to you as soon as possible with another video and an update. Watch out for more very, very soon.